Welcome back. In this class, I'm going to teach you what I call the hotbox. If you hold down your shift, you tap hotbox. Once you click your hotbox, you're going to have access to a lot of tools all around here. The hotbox is used to, to give you access to, a lot of tools that are hidden in different menus, and so instead of you going up and down looking for something, with just a button, which is your spacebar, you can have access to them. So when you hold down your hotbox and you click, you have access to your different viewports: perspective viewport, new camera if you have added one, if you want to create one rather, right view, bottom view, front view, back view, top view, left view, basically. So back to my perspective view. So what are your viewports, so to say? So let's talk about viewports. Now if you click here, this is a one-way view. If you click here, you have a four-way view, whereby you can see object in four ways, just like a top view, more like when you view things from the top, because there's now when I view this from the top, there is where I see. So this is a top view. You have a side view. I think that should be more like viewing it from this side. As you can see, let's just try to mimic it. I might be wrong, but I think that should be that, something like so. I don't know, yeah, something like that. We have a front view. I think that should be like viewing things from this angle, probably this angle. Yeah, no, this angle. So we have a top to front to side view. So the perspective view is a view in your Maya where you can view things in 3D. So here I can, when I hit my spacebar, I go off here. So instead of coming here and then coming back here, shortcut is my spacebar. Makes sense, right? So hit my spacebar here, spacebar, I'm back here. So I have this, view, and then it's my perspective. So to move to others, I could just hit my spacebar, hold down my spacebar rather, hold it down, and hold down my Maya there, Maya right up there. Take note, hold down spacebar, hold down Maya, and then I have that liberty to think of what I want to choose. I can go to my right view, hold down spacebar again, hold down using my left mouse button, left, hold down my spacebar, hold down my left mouse button, and then I'm back to my perspective view. So that is that basically. So there are times where you in this view, or you need to go to your right view or your left view. You could click with your spacebar, click this, and then click. But instead of moving using this way, you can remain in this viewport, hold down, and have access to other viewports there. So I think you should experiment, try this out. Hold your spacebar, then left click and hold, and go to your left view. Let's try the same thing, move there. Try coming here to two-way view, same way it works. So now that I'm in my two-way view, when I hit my spacebar and my perspective, when I hit my spacebar, I'm back to this, same here. So outliner is there, and those guys. So that is that basically. As a beginner, you should practice and get used to this. Okay, trying to orbit, trying to zoom in, trying to pan, maybe your hotbox, okay, and try out this back view, perspective, bottom view, and back to my perspective view. So if you can have a good grasp of this, believe me, you're good to go in navigating your Maya, which is what starters should get used to. Okay, so please practice. See you in the next class. Thank you.